Hey guys, oh my gosh. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to get star coins for free on 2019 still working. So I'm going to show you two ways, and it's the most simple, easy way. So firstly, you want to go into, one sec. So you want to go on to Movie Town, you want to go on to Artbook, you want to go on to, and you want to level Artbook, and then you want to go on to the VIP sign, and then you should get a star coin. And if you just keep doing this, then eventually you'll literally be rich in star coins. But it will take time, of course. But and you can just do that 10 times, get 10 star coins. Do it 1,000 times, get 1,000 star coins. Aww. Okay, so the next way is go on to high scores, go on to pets, go across, kind of laggy, oop, and oop. And then you just want to go onto someone's star coin, someone's room that in the pets area. So I'm going to do this person, go onto their room. And then you just want to level all their pets, and it gives you star coins. Let's just wait till it loads. Okay, so those are the two ways that I get my star coins. Like, it does take time, but then once you're done, it's pretty easy. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's how to get star coins. Bye.